Welcome back to Rolling Legends. Today, we're diving into the return of a true icon, now the 2026 Toyota Cressida. If you're a fan of JDM legends and luxury sedans with attitude, this one's going to hit you right in the nostalgic feels. The Cressida was once Toyota's flagship sedan before Lexus ever existed, blending performance, comfort, and refinement in a way that few cars managed in its era. Now, after decades of silence, Toyota has brought it back, and they've done it with style. Let's talk design first. The 2026 Cressida isn't just a rehash of the past, it's a complete evolution. It carries the sharp, sophisticated lines of modern Toyota design, but with a clear nod to the original's long, low stance. Up front, it features a bold grille with sleek LED headlights that give it a confident presence. The side profile is clean and elegant, with the fastback-inspired silhouette that blends sportiness with class. Around the rear, the taillights span the full width, much like the classic Cressida, giving it that timeless touch. But what's under the hood might be the most exciting part for enthusiasts. Toyota has equipped the new Cressida with a turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-six, a modern descendant of the legendary 7M and JZ engines that powered past Cressidas and Supras. This new engine delivers around 400 horsepower, sending power to the rear wheels through either a smooth 10-speed automatic or a 6-speed manual transmission. Yes, you heard that right. Toyota is giving us the option to roll our own gears in a luxury sedan again. Inside, the Cressida is every bit the executive cruiser it once was, but now with 21st century tech. You'll find a minimalist dashboard with a massive curved display that combines the instrument cluster and infotainment system. The materials are high-end real wood, brushed metal, and soft-touch leather wrap the cabin. It's spacious, quiet, and filled with features like massaging seats, a 15-speaker JBL sound system, and Toyota's latest high-powered driving assistant. The 2026 Cressida sits on Toyota's TNGA-L platform, the same one used for the Lexus LS. That means it's built for both comfort and handling, adaptive suspension, rear-wheel steering, and an available performance package that tightens up the chassis, all point to Toyota's goal of making the Cressida a driver's luxury car. And Toyota isn't just selling this car as a Lexus alternative. They're leaning into the car's enthusiast roots, offering optional TRD styling kits, forged wheels, and even a track-tuned version called the Cressida GR. It's clear they're not afraid to have some fun with this revival. So, what does this mean for the future? With EVs taking over, the 2026 Cressida might be one of the last great internal combustion luxury sedans we get. It's a love letter to the golden age of Japanese motoring, but made for today. That's all for now on Rolling Legends. Let us know what you think of the new Cressida. Is it worthy of the name? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a ride through automotive history.